naglalagay Dios gracia mercy sana urgent masakit kayo rasa kita coba nanti pero pag nilusan ng surgeon ay atin naman pangpansin na yung intention mo ma-address. Hindi ang sabi nyo, but mind you, the higher the generation program, the more expensive it is. And if you start at higher generation, there's no way you can go back to the lower generation. Because the lower generation will eventually tolerance. Hindi technically yung kaya it's always best, it's always good to start from lower. Hindi yung, ay, lockdown, matataw, mabagtan, surgery yung nakalakukan ako. No, just start at lower generation. Now, we also have your fourth step. Medyo bigo na ito. Ang usapan dito, bigo na. Okay? Lalo lang ang mga siya kalorma ka. O, bigyan ka ng halimbawa for them. Sorry, sa surgery nga. Sa surgery nga lang, yung rosity. Matalang nga na lang yan, yung rosity sa kaya ito. Ano yan? Naka 1,000 na. Siguro, 2,000 lang. Ano ka na? Kasi, kaya na generation of the rosity is better. Pag surgery, usually ang rosity na lang yan, usually say na only. It's like EID. Okay? Pero naman one sa nila. So, your EID, portion also is particular as normal. Ito magkalaban, sorry, porosity at saka portion. Yung portion is ang pinakamulang sa nila. Okay? Now, look at your fourth gen. This is an extended spectrum agent with similar activity against gram-pass negative, gram-positive organisms as first generation cephalophoid. Meaning to say, yung fourth gen, pinalawak na yung action na first gen. Okay? And the good thing about your fourth gen is it can cross the blood-brain barrier. Okay? And I'm technically meningitis. A lot of drugs we take could not reach the brain because of this blood-brain barrier. That's why if you have a brain infection, you cannot just take any drug. Otherwise, you are just wasting your money. But the good thing about fourth gen is if you have meningitis, and inflammation of your brain meningitis, you can take your fourth gen because those drugs can reach the brain and can address now the bacteria causing your inflammation. Kaya